Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see right now, the app drawer is enabled. In order to turn it off, tap and hold on free space on the screen, go to settings and enter home screen layout. Now select home screen only and apply. Now app drawer is disabled. To enable it again, tap and hold on free space on the screen, go to settings, enter home screen layout and select home and app screens. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.